Hey y'all, it's your girl Erica with Erica Makes Plans. And my dog is about to, I don't know what it is with this dog. Come here. Come here. Anyway, my dog, I am so sorry. My dog is trying to have my attention. My dog objects because he thinks that I'm talking to somebody else and not giving him the attention that he wants, needs, and deserves. So I'm going to make this quick. My Orange Umbrella Co. order came in. This is from their recent, I believe it was an anniversary sale. I don't be knowing. But anyway, everything was like 40% off. And yeah. Yeah, everything was like 40% off. So I ordered a few things. I tried to be judicious because I had already ordered a bunch of stuff from Planner Kate. So I was pretty good almost to the end of the year with, kit-wise, which is funny because, I never used to be a kit girl, and now I am totally a kit girl. Like I love them. And, but anyway, so these are the freebies I got. This one I think is the freebie from being in the Facebook group. The movie night thingy. I think that's from being in the Facebook group. I think that's that freebie. And then this was a month's freebie for August. So there we go. Okay, now let's get to what I ordered. Some of these are not together. Let me put them together and then I'll come right back. Okay, so I missed a freebie. This was the freebie that you got for ordering during the sale. It's Deco. I think there was a kit that went to it, but I didn't order the kit, and I probably should have because this is very cute. But that's okay. I can go ahead and use that Deco, or I can use this in a journaling spread, whatever the case may be. So the other things I got was this, I don't know, medical task scripts. And then I got, like, this is a common task script that they had. And then I got this clean house script. And then this clean house script. And then this trash day script. And then this assortment of scripts. I think I have a few of these, but there's certain ones like the paydays and the this week. I use a lot of this week, the trash day, that I run out of. So I just got another one because it was a sale, so why not? Okay, and then here are the kits that I ordered. I actually ordered more kits than I thought, which is funny. So I use an A5 vertical columns plum paper, and nobody makes stickers for those. So I just get, sometimes for my weekly kits, I'll just get a Hobonichi cousin, because Hobonichi cousins are A5, and they mostly fit. Sometimes the boxes are like slightly too big, but I don't mind that. So anyway, most of these weekly kits are going to be all of these weekly kits are going to be Hobonichi cousin kits. So I got this one because I like the pastels and the football. For those that don't know, I love football. I'm actually watching preseason football as I record this. And the only reason I can do that is because it's preseason football and not a real game. Because, once again, and I'm going to say this to Vay, don't call me when the game is on. Because, yeah, you don't want that smoke. But yeah, so I got this kit, and then I got these boxes to go with it. And then this is the sidebar little add-on, the habit trackers and the Monday through Sunday, and your little, I guess those are bullet points. And then this is the days of the week that goes with it. And then I also ordered, this is how much I love football. I also ordered this washi strip because I wanted this washi and I wanted this washi. And now that I'm looking at it, like this washi is similar to this washi, but I think it's different. Anyway, I love the little football-based washi. So that's why I ordered all of that. So that kit. And then this kit is also one that I ordered. This is a Hobonichi Cousin kit. 2 pages of that. Very cute. And then this one with the little woodland critters. If you don't know, I also am very much an animal lover. I mean, aside from just my fur brat, like I love animals in general. So yeah, so I got this kit. Thought it was cute. And then this kit, which I also thought was cute, kind of a November Thanksgiving time. Well, actually just a fall kit. It actually doesn't have to be Thanksgiving. But yeah, the little fox in there I thought was cute. And all the little mugs of, and I say that's hot chocolate. I know it's got a pumpkin on it, so it could be your PSL. Not my jam. Sorry. I'm an apple cider. I'm a hot cider girl. I am a hot chocolate girl. I'm a hot tea girl. But not so much the PSLs, and definitely not coffee in general. So there we go. And then I got another autumn kit, which has, now that I look at it, it's got a lot of pink. Y'all know I am not a pink girl, but I can probably deal with this because, you know, it's part of a grander scheme and it's not obnoxious. So, and then this is a monthly kit. They do make monthly kits for the A5 Plum, and that is what this is. This is a monthly kit. This is the two-page monthly kit. This is the side box, and these cover the boxes that aren't being used. And then this is the main page with the washi and the days of the week and the boxes. But as you know, Plum Paper, or maybe you don't know, Plum Paper also has 2 dashboard pages, or yeah, I guess they call them dashboard pages, in front of the monthly calendar. And so I got these to help me decorate that, which is the washi sheet, and then this extra boxes. These I get from the, what do they call it? The Daily Duo, the A5 Daily Duo, the EC A5 Daily Duo kits. I like to get these because they fit well in my, on my dashboard page. So, and then I got one more kit, one more weekly, and this is for Halloween. I thought it was cute, with the little cute ghosties. And then I got the boxes and the days of the week. So that is my haul from Orange Umbrella Co. I hope you guys like that. Let me know if you guys ordered anything from the sale. And if you got anything, let me know what you got, because I am nosy. And that's the way that is. Okay, so this is what I got. And I got this, and these, and these, and these, and these, and these. And then the freebies were these, and these, and these. Okay, so that's my haul. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you want more of the videos to see what the heck I'm spending my money on, I also have other budgeting videos coming up too. But go ahead and click that notification bell so that you will be aware of when I have more videos coming up. Oh, well, you have to be subscribed to do that, so go ahead and click that subscribe button. Okay, I'm out of here.